Hi friends, so today we will be solving minimum steps in infinite grid problem from InterviewBit. So in this problem we basically have to traverse a grid with minimum number of steps. Here one step is defined as any horizontal or vertical or diagonal jump to any consecutive points to this point. Okay, so how will we approach this problem? So we have given a sequence of points and we have to traverse using minimum number of steps. So if we can traverse all the consecutive points in minimum number of steps, then our problem should be solved. So let's consider for now in only these two points, consecutive points. Okay, so let's say we have to go from 0 0 to 3 comma 2 with minimum number of steps. As we are allowed to have a diagonal jumps, so if you look it closely, you will find that the minimum number of steps between any two points is always the difference between, always the maximum difference between its x coordinate or its y coordinate. So in this case it's 3, this 1 2 3. So minimum number of steps are 1 2 and 3. Okay, so this is how we'll solve this problem. So we'll get the minimum number of steps between each consecutive points and then we'll add them together for getting a complete sequence. So let's try this out. So as an input we have given all the x coordinates and all the y coordinates of the points that we need to traverse. Okay, so let's say at starting we have number of steps is equal to 0 for I in range length of a minus 1. This is because the minus 1 is because I'll go with I until second last point only, and then I'll add the steps accordingly. Steps is equal to steps plus maximum of absolute difference between x coordinate of ith element and x coordinate of I plus 1th element and absolute of y coordinate of ith element and y plus I plus 1th coordinate of I plus 1th points y coordinate. Okay, let's return our total number of steps and this should do. Let's test it. Yes, it works fine, and let's submit it. Yes, see, it works. So thank you guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.